ang PSA contracted a PPP project with a Unisys Corporation. Am I right, PSA?
Yes, sir.
Correct. In 2006, Washington Post reported that the FBI was investigating Unisys for alleged cybersecurity lapses under the company's contract with the United States Department of Homeland Security. A number of security lapses supposedly occurred during the contract, including incidents in which data was transmitted to Chinese servers. Kasi ang Unisys po is in partnership with Lenovo. Are you aware of this, that you are in partnership with Lenovo? Ang Unisys? Tatapusin ko na po ito, Mr. Chairman. Because
Please wrap up.